is pretty much the home screen of the application. Here you'll be able to generate music using AI. So at the top here, pretty much describe what you want, what type of song you want to generate, what's in your mind, and you're pretty much good to go. So at the top here, you can just describe what you want basically. So in the settings option here, these are pretty much some other features which you can as well select or use to get the best out of the music generation here. So you have a lot of genres as it relates to the song. Let's say you want something rap like. All of these are pretty much optional, so you don't have to pretty much select any one of these. But if you want to take it a bit further or more specific, then you may need to select some of these. So as you can see here, you have different types of things here which you can select, the rap and so forth. Also you can select, let's say you want a male to be singing the song, then you can select that option here, and as well you can select how the song sounds. Let's say you want it to sound as if you're in a studio or you're at a live concert. All depends upon you. So that's really pretty much it. Once you're finished, tap on apply. And as well, if you do want a little bit of background song in the background, then you can go ahead and enable this feature here, instrumental. And as well, if you don't have anything in mind, you can always tap on suggest me. If you're feeling happy, you want to have somewhere, you can go ahead with that option and enable that there. But that's really pretty much it. And once you're finished, you just go ahead and tap on create, and it will start generating the song. So do keep in mind, you're going to need a subscription to even use the application. Unlike all those that I've reviewed, you much get a free song generation for free. Nothing much for that. Here at the top over here, you have the lyrics section. This is pretty much where you enter your lyrics. As you can see here, and as well the settings option as well. Be able to enter this information as well, similar to the song description option or song prompt. So pretty much the same thing, but with this one you just have to enter your lyrics. And as well, if you don't have anything in mind, you can tap on the suggest me, and it will just give you something random. And if you don't like the one that it has given you, just tap on the suggest me option again. It will keep on changing until you find something that you like. Simple as that. And as well, you have the AI cover section. This here, you pretty much can pick any song or copy any link from YouTube and paste it here. Any song from YouTube that you see that you may like, you can paste it here, or you can, I'm not sure if the search works, but here you can be able to search for the song from this section here as well. And let's say you want to copy this song here, you just tap on that song here, and the link that you have selected, or you copy this song link from YouTube and paste it here. And once you have done that, you just tap on done, and here be able to pretty much turn that song into any one of these voices down here. Very easy. And you can either create your own voice or use your own voice, but you'd have to pretty much tap on the create option and upload your voice. So that's pretty much it. But you can just tap on the X here, but you're gonna need subscription to use the application, so do keep that in mind. As well, you have the cartoon option. You have different voices which you can use. Just scroll and look for all the voices which you would like to use. You can see here, you have the random option. You have Cristiano Ronaldo, you have Elon Musk, Messi's, whatever that is. But anyways, you have Andrew Tate here as well, although they don't spell their name correctly, but just by looking at these people, you pretty much can know who they are really. As you can see here, although they haven't spelled the person name correctly. Well, anyways, down here you have the reverse recording of your voice feature, and nothing much for this. As you can see here, nothing much. I would say nothing much, but all you have to do is just record your voice, you hear what it sounds, and you play it in reverse. So nothing much for that. And in the library section, this is pretty much where you see all the songs that you have generated, whether it be in the AI music section, AI cover, also the video section of it here. So that's really pretty much it for this application. And to get your subscription, you may see a pro icon at the top here. You can tap on that, and you'll be able to see your subscription prices. So as you can see here, they have a 7 days subscription, a full 7 days access. So I would say a free trial. So they do give you a 7 days free trial. You can test out the application and see if it's worth getting your subscription. And as well, have an aim here, a subscription here, and this is pretty much what you'll be getting for once you do get your subscription. So that's pretty much it for this application here. If I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see if I can help you out.